I am here again to solve another form of quadratic equation. We call it a quadratic equation in which its variable are on the both side. Now to solve this question, you are going to what? Carrying this variable to this other what side, so that it will be in the form of a quadratic equation which is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now, whenever you see this type of formula, you know that is what it is a quadratic equation. Now, what do you do now? You're going to be doing that, which is x squared plus 7x. Take this one to this other side. It will change from plus 3x to what? Minus 3x. Now, take this plus 12x to this other what side to change to what? Minus 12 x, and then every other thing here turns to 0. Now if you look at it now, you see that we have here 7x minus what? 3 what? X. Now these are algebraic terms. Now x squared plus 7x minus 3x, here we are going to be having what? 4x minus 12. Now this you have ended up in what? Arranging this in quadratic form. Now you will now solve the what? The quadratic equation. Now if you are to solve this quadratic equation, I always tell you that you should what? Multiply the first term by the last term, which will give us minus 12x squared. Now when you do this now, you're going to be looking for what? A two number that what? When you multiply it together, you're going to be having minus 12x squared. And when you add them together, you're going to be having what? 4x. Now that number should be what? 6x and then minus 2 what? X. Now let us check it. When we multiply 6x by minus 2x, we're going to be having 6x multiplied by minus 2 what? X. We're going to be having a minus 12x squared. Now, and when we add this number together, which is 6x plus or minus plus minus 2x, we're going to be having 4x, because plus minus will give us minus 6 minus 2x, we're going to be having what? 4 what? X. You see that this is minus 12 x, and this is what? 4 what? X. So we are going to be what? Replacing this what? 6x minus 2 what? X with what? 4x on this what? Part, and therefore we'll be having x squared plus 6x plus minus will give us what? Minus 2x, and then here we have what? Minus 12 equal to 0. Now, having reached at this extent, now you're going to what? Closing each of the what? Bracket. Factor out x here, and you are going to be having x open bracket x plus 6. Now factor out 2. Here you will be having what? Minus 2 open bracket. What is left here is what? X, and then x plus what? 6. Now to check if this plus 6 is supposed to be here, when you multiply minus 2 times 6, you'll be having minus 12, which means that plus 6 is supposed to be what? Here. But if you put minus here, you're going to be having what? Plus 12, because when you say minus 2 times minus 6, you're going to be having what? Plus 12. Don't forget that minus times minus will give you what? Plus. So it is better you put what? Plus 6. Now to cross check, now you see that what? X plus 6 and x plus 6 are both inside the what? Bracket, which signifies that what? That your answer is correct. Now come down to this other what? Part. You have that what? The ones in the bracket are what? X plus 6, and then the ones outside is what? X minus 2, which is x minus 2, all equal to 0. Now x plus 6 is equal to 0. X minus 2 is equal to what? 0. Now open the what? Bracket. Take minus 6 to this other side. You have that what? X is equal to minus 6. And then x is equal to, when minus 2 crosses to this other side, you change to what? Plus 2. And x is equal to 2. Now this is the what? Roots of the what? Quadratic equations. I hope you understood. Thank you very much.